Welcome to Mars Outpost. Today, we're walking you through how to install our wall plate, the ultimate way to give your Eufy video doorbell a clean, stylish upgrade while hiding those little wall imperfections like uneven surfaces, holes, dents, missing paint, and scratches. This wall plate is compatible with all Eufy video doorbells. It's designed to create a smooth, stylish surface between your doorbell and the wall, perfect for covering up old fittings or those DIY disasters. Now, here's something important. This wall plate isn't sticky and it doesn't replace your original Eufy mounting plate. Instead, it fits snugly between the doorbell and the wall, blending in effortlessly without any messy adhesives. The plate comes with a protective foil on one side, but don't worry, peeling it off is as satisfying as it sounds. You can use either side facing outward, whichever fits your style best. Time to get started. First, switch off the power supply, remove your doorbell from the wall, disconnect the wires, and take off the original mounting plate. Next, place the Mars Outpost wall plate directly onto the wall. Then, position your doorbell's original mounting plate right on top and screw them both in together, securing everything nice and tight. Before you fully tighten the screws, take a moment to make sure everything lines up perfectly, because no one wants a wonky doorbell greeting their guests. Reconnect the wires, clip your doorbell back into position, and you're good to go. The Mars Outpost wall plate works perfectly with all our accessories, including the rain cover and the 45-degree wedge, so you can mix, match, and customize your setup exactly how you like it. Thanks for choosing Mars Outpost. If you need any help or have questions, our friendly support team is always ready to assist. Enjoy your fresh new doorbell setup and happy installing!